This is low-key giving like 80s. No, it's not really getting 80s, but I feel like very Hollywood.
There's pink black girls in my area code. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Perm ting braids, got mini afro.
And you said there's pink black girls, not area code. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. My hair looks a bit different today, so don't touch my hair.
Like new hair, who this old black.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we're going to go ahead and jump straight into the video. I'm just spraying my lace tint all over my wig right now just to prep for the install that we're going to be doing today. This hair is from LuvMe hair, so a shout out to them for also sponsoring this video for today. And also the tint spray is Ebon, I believe, and I just got this at my local beauty supply store. You can get this pretty much anywhere. I believe they even sell it at Walmart and Target. I got mine in the shade dark brown. So this is just pretty much how it looks against my skin complexion. And I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my hot comb to start the styling process. I did bleach my knots and pluck a little bit off camera, so that's not going to be included in today's video. I'm just going to go ahead and style this, and then we're going to get into the install afterwards. Okay guys, so this is how the wig looks. I went ahead and put some curls in it. So now we're gonna go ahead and just pop her on. As you saw that I already sprayed some lace tint on the spray. As you saw, it's in dark brown. You can add makeup, or if you don't have any spray. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this wig on. So of course, you should know, bend the wig upside down, and then you place your head right there where the lace is at. I'm pulling this elastic band back here, pulling this over, and then I'm just gonna flip. So this is how we're looking. I'm going to put it slightly, because I'm not doing the ball cap method, so I'm putting it slightly in front of that band. And then I'm just going to cut my lace, which I could cut the lace while it's on or off camera. I mean on my head or off my head. It really does not matter. But when you're cutting the lace, you want to make sure it's in a jagged motion. So I cut a little bit too much right there, but it's okay. You would think, since I have my contacts in, it would be a lot easier for me to see, but I don't know. It's like when I concentrate my eyes going up, they just, I don't know. So that's all the lace that I took off. And now I'm going to go ahead and move that out the way. Since I do have makeup on, you can tell it's lighter than my skin complexion. So we're gonna go in and we're going to add the Ebon Wonder Lace spray, which I pretty much live by at this point. I really love this. I kind of want to make this like a little bit of a deeper side. Yeah, just a tad bit. I might go ahead and add this little, if there's any left on here. I don't think there's any product left on this makeup. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to add just a tad bit makeup just before I lay the lace. I'm going in with that dark powder that we used earlier, just to make sure it really blends. And also, really, like, this is so stuck to my head, like it's not going nowhere. I don't have to add any extraness to it, but I'm going to anyway. The only thing I don't like is this little thing right there that pokes all the way out, that it's kind of hard to cut that out, but I'm gonna finesse it and see what I can do. So I'm just gonna spray. I really don't want to spray directly on the lace, but we're just gonna have to do what I do. So pull my hair back, and I'm spraying literally on the hairline. Okay, this is like going everywhere, so make sure it's going in one spot. I have makeup all over my PJs. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see this. So, just trying to dry that a little bit. Before I add the elastic band, I'm gonna add that elastic band and we're gonna place it directly on. We're gonna place it directly on our head and tie it in the back. Okay, so that feels pretty snug. Some of the hair I feel like is, yeah, some of my hair, we don't want that to be under the elastic band. Just kind of hard. Okay, there we go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and comb out the curls, which is, they're looking cute. Okay, so this is what the back of the hair looks like before I so I'm just gonna start probably right here. cute that is. This is giving. Look at that. Body, okay. 'Cause period. I didn't put no lashes on because I want to wear my glasses. So this is what the back looks like, combed out. Super bouncy. This front. Oh, this is cute, honey. This is cute. This is giving. So I'm gonna do another comb back. I could have cut my layers a tad bit shorter in the front, but I didn't want to cut it too short because it's still giving. This is giving housewife. But this is super cute. I like it. I like it a lot. I don't ever do side parts, if y'all can't tell. And I didn't put any makeup in the part that's just my cap and that spray that we used. Okay, so now we're going to get a little spray, a little spritz, spray your comb, just to get rid of flyaways. And we're gonna just go ahead. It's probably not dry yet, but it's okay. And voila. I'm gonna take my makeup, fix my actual makeup on my forehead. You just wanna make sure you comb that product out. So this is what that is looking like. Like I said, I need to fix this little thing on the wig. I don't think I can cut that off. And you're not finna break my scissors. No ma'am. The hot comb, just to cover it up. Hopefully that helps. I'm so used to styling wigs off of my head. This feels weird. This is the finished look. This is the finished look. I'm like looking in my mirror in front right here. And bring this hair to the front. So this is what it's giving, y'all. I never wear my hair like this. That's what that looks like, just with that spray and makeup. Ooh, this is lucky giving like 80s. No, it's not really getting 80s, but I feel like very Hollywood with my hair like this, with these silk pajamas. Honey, it's giving. I'm about to put my little glasses on so y'all can see my whole little look with my PJ. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video / tutorial on just how to easily pop on your wig and literally go. I literally did this in like less than 5 seconds, but I know the video is longer than that. So if you are interested in this wig, be sure to check out the description box. It will have everything linked down below, as well as all the details that was listed in this video today. And I also want to give a huge shout out to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring this video today and sending me this lovely hair. I believe this hair was 18 inches if I'm mistaken. I'm going to leave everything down in the description box as well. And it did come in body wave originally, and I just added curls to give it more of a body wave feel to it. Also, it is a 4x4 closure, if I did not say that earlier. Also, I would give this hair an 8 out of 10. I definitely recommend it. Having 2 elastic bands probably help with security. I don't really care for the combs, so I'll probably cut those out next time, but I definitely do like this look. It was very easy to install, and if you do want your own, make sure you check out the description box down below for more information about this wig. I'll have the website and their links down below. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.